Hi, how to replace the sky in Photoshop in just a few clicks. Select the image you want to replace it with. Click on Edit, scroll down a few, and click on the sky replacement. This window opens. Click on this icon here. Choose any sky you want. For example, I will choose this sky. From here we can reduce the brightness of the sky. For example, reduce its brightness to fit the image in it. This is good. Here you can reduce the temperature of the colors of the sky. For example, this is good. Here you can zoom in on the sky. Here you can flip the sky. This side comes here and this comes here. You can select new layer if you want to modify the image again, or choose duplicate layer if you don't want to modify the image again. Or if you want to choose any sky you have on the device, you can click here and click on this icon and replace any sky you have on the device. Click OK. The whole group is here. Before, after. Just click on the subscribe button and activate the bell to receive all new. Peace.